Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create menus on Elementor. First, open your Elementor editor on the page where you want to add a menu. Look for the Nav menu widget in the Elementor sidebar. This widget is your primary tool for integrating and customizing your site's navigation. Drag and drop it into your desired section on the page. This initial step sets the foundation for your menu's design and functionality. Before diving into Elementor, you need to set up your menu in WordPress. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, then find Appearance and click on Menus. Here, you can create a new menu and add all the pages, posts, or custom links you want to include. Give your menu a clear name, like Main Menu or Footer Menu, and save it. This foundational step ensures your menu content is ready for Elementor. Now back in Elementor, drag the Nav menu widget into your page section. In the widget settings, you will see a drop-down to select which WordPress menu you want to display. Choose the menu you just created. Elementor then offers a wide array of styling options. You can easily adjust the layout, typography, colors, and even hover effects to match your website's aesthetic perfectly, giving you full creative control. For more advanced customization, Elementor allows you to fine-tune individual menu items. Explore the responsive settings to ensure your menu looks great on all devices, from large desktops to small mobile phones. You can set different styles for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. For truly unique designs, consider using custom CSS within Elementor's Advanced tab. This gives you ultimate control to create a perfectly branded and functional navigation experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.